go to your browser and navigate to academy.generativecad.com. On the Academy dashboard, click Sign Up to create an account. Sign up with your details and a strong password. If you have an account, click Login here. Enter your email address and your password, and click Login. Navigate to My Space on the Academy dashboard. Click on Team Plan in the sidebar, and enter the team plan code provided to you, then click Apply. Please do not share this code with anyone, and it only applies once. You have now been granted access to enroll for courses on the Academy platform. Navigate back to the main Academy dashboard. Click on View Courses. Scroll down to the course, select it, and click on Enroll. You now have access to the course content and can start accessing the sections and lessons within the course. We wish you every success as you progress through the course.